Ready to transform your home into the ultimate entertainment spot? A pool table isn't just furniture, it's your ticket to epic game nights, friendly competitions, and those perfect just one more game moments. We've handpicked 9 incredible tables that'll make your space the go-to hangout, no matter your style or budget. Looking for that perfect combination of elegance and playability? Want something that fits perfectly in your cozy apartment? Or dreaming of a tournament-grade table that'll help you play like a pro? We've got you covered. All the links are right below in the description, so you can skip the endless searching and get straight to planning your first game night. Let's find that perfect table that'll have everyone asking, when can we come over again? First up is the GoSport 7-foot portable pool table. This table is a favorite for anyone looking for convenience and flexibility. Its foldable design makes it easy to set up and store, making it perfect for smaller spaces or for those who don't want a permanent installation. Despite its portability, it doesn't compromise on quality, offering a sturdy frame, a smooth felt surface, and adjustable leveling feet to ensure accurate gameplay. Many users praise its quick setup and durability, with one reviewer mentioning how impressed they were by the professional feel it offers at such an affordable price. This table is an excellent option for anyone who values portability without sacrificing performance. Ready to hear about another space-friendly option? Let's move on to the Hathaway Fairmont 6-foot portable. Slightly smaller than the GoSports, this table is another great pick for compact spaces like apartments or game rooms. Its foldable legs make it easy to store when not in use, and it comes with all the essentials, including balls, cues, and chalk. Users often highlight how sturdy it feels despite its size, with one reviewer noting that it's perfect for family use and has become a centerpiece of their game nights. If you're looking for a reliable, compact pool table that doesn't skimp on fun, this one's worth a closer look. Now let's explore a more traditional style. Next up is the East Point Sports Masterton 87-inch table, which brings a touch of elegance to any space. With its clawfoot design and wood veneer finish, this full-size table has a classic look that fits beautifully into a game room or living space. It's built for durability, featuring scratch-resistant felt and reinforced rails to ensure long-lasting performance. One user shared that it strikes the perfect balance between affordability and style, making it a standout option for anyone who wants a full-size table without overspending. If you've got the space and want something timeless, the Masterton might just be what you're looking for. Let's shift gears to a compact option designed for versatility. The Rack Leo 4-foot folding pool table is ideal for kids, beginners, or anyone looking for a smaller table that's still packed with fun. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around, and its foldable legs mean you can set it up or store it away in no time. Parents love this table for introducing younger players to the game, with one reviewer mentioning how much their kids enjoy it and how surprisingly sturdy it feels for its size. If you want something family-friendly, space-saving, and budget-conscious, the Rack Leo is a fantastic choice. Moving on, let's talk about a table that blends rustic charm with modern functionality. The American Legend Kirkwood 90-inch table stands out with its distressed wood finish and iron accents, giving it a unique blend of modern and vintage aesthetics. This table is full-sized and built to perform, with K-shaped legs for added stability and a smooth playing surface that ensures great gameplay. It even includes built-in storage for cues and balls, keeping everything neat and organized. Users frequently mention how this table becomes a centerpiece of their space, with one reviewer noting how much character it adds to their game room. If you're looking for something that's as stylish as it is functional, this one's a great pick. Let's now check out a space-saving option for tighter areas. The Mizrak Dynasty Space Saver Pool Table is a compact but sturdy option that fits beautifully into smaller spaces. Measuring 6.5 feet, it offers a realistic playing experience while being easy to accommodate in basements, apartments, or game rooms. It features leg levelers and a laminate surface for added durability, and it comes with all the accessories you need to start playing right away. Users often rave about how easy it is to assemble, with one reviewer saying it's the perfect size for their space and delivers excellent performance for the price. If you're short on space but still want a quality table, the Mizrak Dynasty has you covered. Up next, let's talk about a sleek and sophisticated option. The Fat Cat Frisco 7.5-foot pool table combines style and performance with its rich mahogany finish and burgundy felt. This table is designed for competitive play, featuring responsive bumpers and a wide playfield that allows for precision shots. It's also built to last, with a high-quality frame that provides stability for intense games. One reviewer shared that it feels like a professional-grade table, making it perfect for serious players who want an upgrade without spending a fortune. If you're looking for a pool table that looks great and plays even better, the Fat Cat Frisco is definitely worth considering. Now, let's look at a modern option with a touch of versatility. The Barrington Monterey pool table is a stylish choice that blends contemporary design with classic features. Its black felt and faux wood grain finish give it a modern edge, while the reinforced frame and leg levelers ensure stability and durability. This table is great for casual players and enthusiasts alike, with users frequently highlighting its sturdiness and easy assembly. One reviewer mentioned how it exceeded their expectations and became a favorite addition to their entertainment space. If you're after something sleek and reliable, the Barrington Monterey might be the one for you. Let's wrap up with a table that's all about balance. Finally, we have the Go Sport 7-foot wood finish pool table. This table is a standout for its combination of practicality and elegance. The wood finish gives it the look of a high-end piece, while its foldable design makes it easy to store or move as needed. It's perfect for those who want a stylish table without committing to a permanent installation. Many users rave about its smooth playing surface and how sturdy it feels, with one reviewer noting that it's a big hit at gatherings. If you're looking for a table that offers great playability with a touch of sophistication, this one's a strong contender. These 9 pool tables cover every need, from compact designs for small spaces to full-size models that become the centerpiece of your game room. If you prioritize portability and convenience, the Go Sports and Hathaway options are excellent choices. For a traditional look and feel, the East Point Sports Masterton and American Legend Kirkwood bring timeless style and solid performance. If space is a concern, the Mizrak Dynasty and Rack Leo are perfect for tighter areas. And for those who want high-end features and sleek designs, the Fat Cat Frisco, Barrington Monterey, and Go Sports wood finish table won't disappoint. Choosing the right pool table comes down to understanding your needs. Are you looking for a space-saving option that doesn't compromise on fun, or a full-size table that creates a stunning focal point in your game room? Consider how often you'll use it and whether portability is important, especially if your space serves multiple purposes. For those seeking value without sacrificing quality, options like the Hathaway Fairmont or Mizrak Dynasty offer excellent balance. On the other hand, if premium design and performance are key, the Fat Cat Frisco and Barrington Monterey are well worth the investment. When deciding, think about your space, your priorities, and how you'll be using the table. Whether it's for family game nights, hosting friends, or leveling up your skills, there's a table on this list for you. Be sure to check out the product links in the description to explore these options further or to pick up your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and share it with anyone who's ready to upgrade their game room. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.